everyone, thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. This video is my first collab, yay! So I am doing a collab with Shawna from Mom Likely and Amber from Am Bam's Life. I am so excited to be doing this collab with these ladies. They have wonderful content on their channels. Their channels will be linked down below in the description bar, and also I do have their Instagrams linked here. Connect with them on Instagram. Like I said, they have wonderful content and beautiful families, and I am so excited to be collabing with them. And if you guys are coming from either one of their channels, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do a lot of mom videos, hauls, cleaning videos, and makeup videos as well. And I'm just so thankful to have you all here. So without further ado, keep on watching.